government will launch a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. It's designed to allow the President of the United States to address the country within 10 minutes from any location at any time. The system was not used on 9/11, which some critics say proves the U.S. is still living with an outdated warning system. So, if you're watching television or you're listening to the radio, you are about to hear it. We're told it will last just 30 seconds. And keep in mind, it is only a test. After that, Don Lemon will be in this seat. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, Frederica, thank you very much. I'm Don Lemon. Brooke is off. Let's get you caught up on everything making news this hour. And we're going to do it rapid fire, so let's go. There is a big stock sell-off going on right now on Wall Street. The Dow is down 345 points. It's dropped more than 100 points in the last hour, down 345 points, now 346. And here's why those stocks are sinking at the moment. Italy could be the latest Eurozone country facing default. The country's scandal-plagued prime minister says
this is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. The message you are hearing.
Coming up this hour, we're going to talk to a fisherman